everyone, and welcome to my channel Scrapbook Drama, where I combine my two loves, watching various Asian ethnic dramas and scrapbooking. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks! Hello everyone, and welcome to this ongoing scrapbook series on the Eternal Love drama. Well, that sounds weird saying it that way, but you know what I mean, the TV show. Today I'm going to be working on a spread that involves a very important scene, which is the one with the Empress Dowager. Actually, just kidding. It's an important scene, but it's the one where we see their first kiss. And what I'd like to do is have this be a little bit more of a complicated page, where this is going to be, when we open the book, this is what we're going to see, this first scene. But then what it's actually going to be is I'm going to cut this out, and when you open the flaps, underneath the flaps you're going to see 4 of these images. I'm not sure which 4 I will pick, but you'll see 4 of them, and then underneath is going to be the kiss right there, big giant kiss. I didn't do the close-up, you know, the TV show chose the close-up. I'm just the messenger, if you will. So in any case, it'll look like this, and then, as I said, we'll have the flaps, and on the other side of the flap, if you will be one of these images. And I'm not sure which one to pick. They're all so great. Like, for example, I really like, oh, this is making too much noise, bracelet. I love this bracelet, but this picture right here, I love the what's it called, the composition of it, you know, even these like cherry blossoms. I mean, I know they're fake, but I don't care. I love them anyway. I love everything about this show. You know, and this and the bridge, and yeah, I'll probably definitely use that one. You know, and then this look in Mo Lian Cheng's eyes, and I love the relationship between him and the Empress Dowager, and then of course there's the kiss, and there's this look, you know, when he pulls her to him, and then Xing Zhao. Well, they're all just really great pictures. That's why I picked them. So I'm gonna have a hard time picking which ones to actually make it into the scrapbook. But in any case, that's the plan. And then, you know, these are kind of too thin to actually, you know, fit the width of the picture here. So I'm actually going to mount them on like scrapbook paper, like just like regular paper, what am I trying to say? Oh my goodness. I mean like a one color paper, a paper that's just one color. Oh my gosh, maybe today was not the right day to record, but just paper that is one color. And I picked peach because even though my printer kind of picked out more the blue tones, from what I remember from this scene, it was definitely very peachy, and I really liked the peach colors that came out. So in any case, I'm going to pick up peach colored paper, and that's why I picked some peach colored washi tape to use also in this spread. And yeah, and then I also figure there's going to be some room at the bottom that maybe I'll put some dialogue from each of these scenes. And yeah, so when I come back, I'll have some portion of all of that done. Okay, so I have the flaps all made. When you open them up, they will look something like this. Oops, gotta erase that part there. Okay, so it'll look something like this, and now I have to go get some dialogue to print out and put right here for each one, and so I'll do that, and when I come back, that's what will have been done. So now I'm going to put the pieces of dialogue on each one. So he's so cute. So on this one, he says, "My beloved consort, please remember this. Whatever the situation, don't ever leave me behind and just leave on your own." Isn't that just so cute? Now, I know he's kind of putting on an act and a play, if you will, but still, I mean, how cute is he being right now? I think he's being adorable. And then this one. "There are some things a princess consort must do," right before he kisses her. I don't know, I just think it's so cute. Okay, let's center this. Make sure it's hard to do when it's not right in front of me. Okay. And then for this one, obviously there was no dialogue, so I just put kiss. And then for Jinxi, I just put exclamation. Okay, so we have all of our panels ready to go. So now we're going to assemble on top of our book here. There we go. So when we open up the page, it will look something like this. And then we open up and we see the kiss inside. Mwah! So cute. And then we see here. But now I need to put some washi tape here and around here maybe. And when I come back, it'll be all done. Alright, so this is what it looks like so far. So when you first open up the page, you know, it looks like this, and then you open it up, and there you have it. But I thought it would look a little bit too plain, and so I had these flowers. They were actually this color, kind of like a off-white. And I painted, well no, sorry, not painted. I used colored pencils, just different colors of pink to kind of shade them into these different pink colors. And then that actually helped lift up some of the petals, which I really like. I like there's some dimension to them. They'll probably flatten out a little bit over time, but for now, it looks kind of nice. In any case, they kind of remind me of like cherry blossoms, which were featured in these scenes. So what I'm going to do is just sort of strategically place them on here and on the sides, and hopefully they will look nice. And just add a little extra something to the lid. So okay, here's the final version. So this is what it looks like, and then you open it up and we have our beautiful kiss, and here's the first panel. Whoops, I don't want to break it. But here with the flowers, and then our second. Whoops, I gotta tape down a little bit better, but that's basically what it looks like. And yeah, I like how it turned out. I really like the addition of the flowers, and the washi tape up here matches. I like the delicate sort of peachy pink color, and I especially like the kiss. I hope you like it as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and make a comment below if you have any questions or comments. Thanks!